Hello guys, what's up? How you guys doing? It's a beautiful week out here, and we are here again with the latest update on crypto news. The things that you never imagined actually existed on crypto are going to be dishing them out on this live session. Hi, Mr. Jack. How you doing? And how is UK today?
Very fine, very fine. Hello, Justice. How's your weekend? How's it?
Yeah, it's going on well. It's going on well. Only that I've been receiving a lot of complaints from several clients on crypto trading. A lot of them say that there has been some fall in some of their trading and they don't really know why. So, a lot of persons who actually venture into this thing really will actually want to cash out big time. So, how do you see when there is a fall in cryptocurrency or maybe a particular trade? How do you see that as an avenue to make more?
Well, basically, as an experienced trader, well, let me just say, no one wants to see their money go down, but as an experienced trader, that's the best time. That's a very good opportunity to buy when you have money. That's why when you're trading, you are always advised to keep some more funds aside. So when you have this kind of pullback, and then you can buy more and increase your portfolio. So it's actually a
Yeah.
blessing in disguise for a lot of people. For myself too, I've also bought a lot of dips for different coin, and currently we've been seeing some uptrend, maybe 10 to 15% profit already. So it's a good thing.
Yeah, understand what you're saying. I'm talking at the perspective of a newcomer. A friend of mine spoke with me, so he said, which kind of trade can he actually invent? Can you hear me? I'm hearing some cracks over your end there.
Yeah, I can hear you tell you.
Yeah, but I was hearing some cracks over there. So
Oh, okay. I'm good now. You can continue.
okay. Okay. So I was discussing with this friend of mine. So he was asking me what kind of trade can he actually venture in. Then I told him, man, there are several kind of trade which you can do. So I told him about 3DeFi, which actually he bought some seed there. When he bought the seed, he discovered that, man, from $33, this thing is going down. And currently, as I'm talking to you now, is on $3 per seed now. So he has been a little bit worried, like even pulling out the one he has invested has really been an issue, not to talk of him investing again. He's a newcomer, so he's actually going to be feeling a lot of lapses within the trading platform and all that. What do you say to such people?
Well, the thing is, there's difference between trading and when you're trading spot, there's difference between spot trading and then trading the futures. Trading futures is when you're betting on leverage that some certain amount number of people are going to go up, and then the spot trading is you're buying the coin and then you're holding it. But for the 3DeFi that you spoke about, I think your friend just need to hold on and keep farming it, or probably he does not understand what the farming is. So I'm going to throw more light on it. So if he has the seed or the tree token, he does not have to leave it in his wallet. All he needs to do is to put it in the pool. Putting your crypto in the pool means that you get to generate more of that crypto. You get to give you more of the crypto in your wallet. So imagine, since your friend bought the coin, if he was holding it in the pool, he would have been making even more coin, since he had the coin. So now that there's a pullback, it's also a good time to buy more and put it in the pool so you can earn even faster than what you already have. And shortly, I will be demonstrating how to do that. And so they can actually learn again and see how it's done.
All right, guys, Mr. Jack, thank you very much. If you're just joining us live, this is us, this is JTech. What we do here is talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about technology, we talk about things you actually need to know. So this Jack Media Technology, we're bringing you crypto news live and direct from UK and also in Nigeria as well. So feel free to join us in the comment section if you have questions, if you have doubts like that, my friend who is actually currently scared right now that how can I invest more? This is just the right channel. We're going to be dishing out some basic secrets you need to know about cryptocurrency. Do you know that when there is a fall in actually in a particular trading or in a particular investment or in a particular project, that's the right time you need to invest more? I was discussing with Jeffrey some time ago. I told him what can we do now? Discover that this thing has gone to 10. We bought some seed at the rate of $33, but we discovered that this thing has gotten to 10. So I spoke with him. He said, currently I don't have much on me, but because you want us to buy this thing, let's buy more. We bought more, because buying more at that time is going to increase our potentials. Because when this seed actually performs better tomorrow, we're going to have a lot of return and all that. So for you upcoming, for you wanting to come in, when a seed falls, that doesn't mean it's the end of that project. It's actually an avenue for you to buy as low as you can and as much as you can. All right, we'll be with you in this section. Join us. Tell us what you feel about cryptocurrency. Tell us your doubts, your faults, and we are going to be answering them all here. So back to Mr. Jeffrey, please dish us some of the latest news on cryptocurrency and how we can enhance most of them to
Hello,
improve.
if you guys are hearing us, please hit the like button. Just drop a comment in the comment box. Try to share the video to your friends so they can also get to learn. You don't need to pay any money to learn. All the information we're giving out here is free, but you're also advised to do your research. Don't just jump into any coin that we mention here. Try to do your research and make sure you're taking the right information and doing the right thing. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how the movement in the market has been for the week. Why a lot of people are scared. I think why there's a lot of drop in the market is because of in the US they just announced the tax that they're going to be taxing people about 30 to 40% on their capital tax gain. Even the stock market is also down now. So a lot of people are just rushing to take out profits and all that. So let us go and see what is happening in the chat and see how the movement have been so far. So if you can hear me and you can see my screen, please try to hit the like button and then let's go from there. So we can see Bitcoin so far in the last 24 hours has been that nothing is happening, but in the last 7 days we've had 17% pullback. So let's see if we can just check out what's happening in the chat and see. So if we see in the last 7 days, Bitcoin went as high as 56,000 and now it actually got to 47,000. So I'm sure a lot of people bought at 47. That's a very good opportunity to buy. And now it's back at 50. So people will keep buying. I myself, I bought some Bitcoin and I bought some Ethereum, and it's been good. And we're expecting for the coming week to be good, and expecting for the pump to start again. Ethereum is still holding very strong at $2,300 per coin, and then Binance is $512. SRP is pumping today 4%. That's good. At least we're seeing some green. What do you think about that, Mr. Justice? At least there's a green today, unlike the other days. So Dogecoin has gone down, down, down. A lot of people have been enjoying the hype of Dogecoin, and it actually pumped almost to, was it 60 cent or 30 cent? But now it's having a pullback, and I would say this is a correction. We're waiting for the next pump. So it met an all-time high of 41 cents, which is actually good. So all I know, we're just waiting for what is going to happen from Monday, and let's see the good news of what's going to happen. But well, as you can see, the market is just going sideways, and I'm sure the companies and the coins, they are gathering momentum to start the next leg up. So that is it for the chat. We won't want to go too deep into it now, and so we can share more information with our users and viewers who are here.
All right, thank you very much. That was delightful, and that was quite exciting. I see somebody say, "Greetings, I am glad to be here. I am already learning." Okay. Just stay in the comment section, ask questions where you feel confused, and we'll be dishing out a. Okay, yeah. So, Mr. Jack, I discovered that I saw your ambassadorship slash push on the Point Pay project. Can you please give us an insight on what is currently happening on the Point Pay project and how is it going to affect lives? Because a lot of persons are practically waiting right here.
Okay, for the point pay, we're still on the ICO, still trying to raise our funds. We're trying to raise up $30 million so as to start to build the platform up to standard, so users can start trading and all that. But in short, PointPay is a cryptocurrency bank, and it also has an exchange. It also has a session where you can learn. You can also take loan. Crypto backed loans. So we have a lot of services that we're offering with to our users. So if I could just say go into the website just 1 minute so I could show a little bit of what is there. So can you see my screen?
We can see your screen. Yeah, it's fine. Very
Okay,
clear.
so let's just say what's the basic thing, like you say what PointPay is all about. You can see here we have the cryptocurrency bank, which has been launched. We have the PointPay crypto exchange, whereby users can swap different cryptocurrencies, just like you have the Binance. We have the PointPay wallet. We have PointPay payment platform. Like you can have a client that you want to get payment from, you can actually send them an invoice and then they pay you via crypto. So we have the point pay loan module, like I said before, we have the crypto school, and we'll be launching our debit card very soon. As you can see, it's on the roadmap and it's coming soon. The mobile app has been launched. So anyone who hasn't bought the point pay token yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. You have just 5 days left to go. 5 days, and whatever investment you have here now is going to be increased by 33%. Can you get that anywhere? Even the market is down, but your investment is safe. No going down, it's just there. And from the 1st of May, you get 33% increase. And I know a lot of people got in the last time for last month, and we raised over $5 million. So far, PointPay, we've raised $15 million. So let's say we are at the middle of, we've gotten to the halfway, and we're hoping by the end of the month we'll be able to, the end of next month we'll be able to get up to the 30%, the remaining 50% to complete our $30 million we're trying to raise. So you guys, you
Yeah.
can go to the link below the video and you find the comment section. You find the link below where you can click register for PointPay, and then you get 5% profit and 5% bonus. Whatever coin you buy, you get 5% bonus. So just check the link below and you see the PointPay referral link to get extra 5% bonus.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Honeycomb 368A.
Okay. So
Greetings. Yeah, we actually see you. Yeah. Thank you very much
that
for
means
joining the.
if PointPay
Yeah.
is going to have a card in the US. Yes, we're actually working on it. We are trying to apply for a banking license, and I'm sure once that is accepted, we would also have the debit card for US citizens. But currently, the card is available for the users in the EU and then the UK. So we are actually also trying to expand our reach to make sure everyone has the services. Also, we are planning to get to Africa, Asia, and everyone. You guys just need to keep calm, and we'll make everybody happy.
Yeah, you talking so much about point play and how nice the project is and how they intend to make a lot of things very possible and simple for people who are into cryptocurrency. But there's one question that keeps running on my mind. How do you think in what strategy do you think point pay is going to use to harness more market standardization, noting the fact that a lot of projects are currently on and a lot of persons are into so many projects as well. So with the current economy now and diverse cryptocurrency project, how do you think they are going to be able to harness strongly gaining standardization in cryptocurrency?
Well, at Point Pay, we have very unique plan for all our users. And if, like you say, like I just said, we're a bank. So if you're saving your Bitcoin, Ethereum, SRP, whatever crypto you have, and you're saving it in our savings account, you get to earn more yield. So if you're saving your crypto, your Bitcoin, you can earn up to 5% profit every year. And then if you're holding the PointsPay token, you can get as high as 30% profit every year. So you keep getting that coin every day deposited into your account. Now imagine now point per token is actually 15 cents. And the coming months, when we launch, the price can go as high as $2 or to $5. Who knows? Now you've been earning this token from now till July when we launch, and then if you can get up to 15 or 10 or $5, you get to know how much you imagine how much you must have earned since then. But you talking about the marketing and how we need to get more users, we are still actively building the system. So we've not really been big in the marketing aspect because there's no need in marketing big time. And then we have a lot of users and the system is not working correctly. So we are actually building day and night to make sure we have a robust and error-free system before we push out our system out to the world and do a lot of marketing. So that's it for now. But we actually have all this planned out, and we're going to start seeing a lot of marketing. Say from June, it's going to be big. That's all I can say.
That's nice. That's nice. So you are practically saying that point-based strategy, they have full strategy to take over the market. Just that what they are currently doing now is doing some incentive and some bonuses as well that will equally attract new people to join. That's a good strategy. I think you can take it off from there because there are so many projects which are out there as well, but doesn't have the same value that PointPay does. Okay. All right, that's nice. So viewers, you've heard from him. If you are new into cryptocurrency and you want to trade, you are looking for a project to go into. Currently, PointPay has not been launched, but there are so many projects and there are so many insight this great project has. You can take advantage of it by buying some of the token now, so that 5th May when it's being launched, you never can tell if you could be a millionaire by then, but just take advantage of it now, and that would be nice. So, Mr. Jeffrey, how do you see other projects? We were talking about last week when we talked about Sigma, we talked about PointPay, uh, we talked
Yeah,
about TradeFi.
Exchange.
Yeah,
Yeah, talk about
yeah, we
exchange
talked about
and Shopify. Yeah.
we talked about Airtune. Most of those projects aren't new, but to some users who are in the system now or who are planning to join now might see it to be very, very new. So can you give us a little bit breakdown of how they performed last week, and maybe probably how one can buy maybe probably a token from maybe one of these platforms if they are joining new?
Okay, so let me start from a Sigma. We did talk about Sigma the other time, and this is very funny. I was actually watching Sigma the other day. Let me just go over the Sigma chart. So I can share my screen. It was at the middle of the night, and they launched in an exchange, and due to the low liquidity on that exchange, the price pumped so much to $6. And I know a lot of people took profit, or some people did take profit. If I can see it in this chart, but all in all, the price is down, and also it's also a good time to buy. I've been farming Sigma since February. Yes, since February, and it's been really amazing for me. And imagine just sitting and doing nothing, and then you're making money. But I would say anyone who's planning to buy this project now, these are the best time to buy now. Imagine the price for Sigma is $3, $1 43 cents. Just last week it was about $2 and $3. So anyone who's buying now is kind of the best time. I imagine this project I bought in at about $8, and some people bought at $50. Some bought at 80. But why am I saying all this? Those people are still holding. You can call them that they are the diamond hand. They're still holding very strong, and we're planning to launch in other exchanges. As you can see, before you can only buy the project from Uniswap. You can only buy the coin from Uniswap, but now they're now in this other exchange, and they're planning to launch on more exchange. Meaning, the more exchange they launch, the higher the price can go, because now it's now open to a lot of people to buy. So I'm still holding my Sigma, and Actually, I make a lot of money from this daily. So I make up to like say $250 daily from just this project. And then if we go up over to the 3DFi, um, 1 second. Okay, so the 3DFi also is still holding the position. 3DFi is, let's see the price now. The seed now is still $3 33 cents. So you did talk about that. You convinced. We had the discussion about buying more when seed was $10. But what I didn't tell you was just 2 days ago I bought more seed. I bought more seed because I needed to increase the power of my stake. So I'm also farming and I'm also making more money from this project every day, every minute. I don't have to do anything, just buy the coin and then you can put it in any of the farm or the staking aspect of it. Do I need to connect my wallet? Okay. As you can see, if you're providing liquidity to this exchange, in short, let me just go over this TradeFi. The TradeFi is a decentralized exchange, so you can actually built on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can also swap different tokens from here, and then if you're putting your money in their liquidity pool, now if you have the seed and the tree, this is what you can earn, say every year, or per every $1,000 that you have, you can make 6.9 seed every day. So you can now times that by the current price. So from this, you can be making, say, you put 1,000, you can be making $300 every month, which is really a good deal. Why do I need to keep my money in my bank account where they don't give me any profit at all? I can create, set up a liquidity here, and then I'm making money daily, weekly, and you have the leverage to take out your funds at any time. If you don't want to create liquidity, you can also just buy the seed or the tree and then lock it up. Or if you have Binance coin, you can, or USDT or all these pairs, you can also just save them here, and then you're making more money from it. As you can see from here now, you can have 500% APR if you have just the seed and you're staking it in this pool. So every day you get to come and either you can harvest or you can compound your whatever way you want it, or you can take profit if you also want. So this is how I am saying you don't need to sit on this information. You need to take this very seriously because there's absolutely no need to keep your money in your savings account or wherever, and it's not even giving you anything. So that's it. That's how you can take advantage of this two project I just told you now.
All right, so all right, thank you very much. That's awesome. That's awesome. So for you people who are new into crypto and you are looking for a place to actually invest and all that, I think this 3D fire is something you really need to take good cognizance of. Noting that it's now at $3, you can buy more and actually trade in there. All right, that's actually a good one. So if you're in the comment section, please tell us where you are watching us from and tell us the kind of projects which you've done and you've been having, maybe probably an issue you want to know how to get out of them, and you want an insight in cryptocurrency, and we are going to be giving you a whole lot of information around that. Please note we are not crypto project
Financial
agents,
advice.
a financial advisor that when we advise you to go into 3D fire, you now venture into it, and you have to do your own personal research as well. So that you would have a better understanding of any project you are going into. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining us. So if you have questions, please hit the comment section, ask all your questions. Please hit the like and share. Thank you very much. Thank you. So, Mrs. Zuka, before we wrap it up, I want to understand, a lot of persons in cryptocurrency, I was discussing with somebody and he said they recently caught one new one a Nigerian who actually defrauds people from fake crypto trading of or accounts and all that. So I want to understand, a lot of persons will be very skeptical, more especially the older generation, noting the fact that a lot of people, a lot of young people are taking advantage of this platform to defraud people. How do you think we can solve this issue, or how do you think we can advise people out there who actually wants to go into this trade for the first time, noting that there are a lot of fraudsters out there, and how they can do it without being scammed?
Okay, so first of all, I wouldn't advise anyone to maybe give out your money to someone to help you invest. All I can say is it's better for you to learn. That's why you have YouTube to learn more on how to do this stuff, and that's why we're here to teach you on how it is done and all that. So let's say basically for you to invest your money into any platform or any website, at least do a little bit of research to know, okay, how long has this website been on? You understand? So there are actually a lot of tools that you can check each domain name and see how long they've been existing, or to see if they actually have traffic on the website. Like if you encounter a scammer's website now, I'm going to share my screen and show you um, now, let's say PointsPay, for instance. Now, I can check to see how they've been ranking on Google. You can see
Okay,
PointsPay. PointPay is
they
the
are
top
lesser rank.
37,000. Yes, it's the top
They are lesser.
37,000 website in the world, and also it's ranking 8,000 in Russia. And so you can see they have other similar websites. And if I also go to 3DeFi, you see 3D5 top 50 websites in the world. Let's say this web where we do our research, check different coin, you see it's top 400 sites in the world. So you need to look for a way to do this research to make sure you're not putting your money into scammers websites. If you get to a scammer website and you check those information right now, probably you see it doesn't even have any ranking. There's nothing there to show for it. Some of them do not have the HTTPS, which is the secure server layer to protect it. Meaning, if you even put your password there, you can also use that your password to try to guess your other password and get into your email and all this kind of stuff. So it's all about doing research, doing research. You don't just put in your money anywhere without doing research. So that's the easiest way I'll tell you that.
All right,
The
thank
best,
you very much. Thank you very much. I think our viewers out there actually got this. There was a time which I wanted to know some tech blogs, and all I just did to find out their potentials was to check through Aleza ranking. You can actually install or add to your Google Chrome if you're using a PC. You can add to your Google Chrome so that any website you view, you can always have the Aleza ranking by it. It's just for you to just download
the
it
Chrome
on your
extension,
Google Chrome.
the
Yeah,
Chrome.
add it on the Chrome extension, and you just see it there. Okay, I see. Honeycomb is asking, is there a VPN location you can currently recommend for trading, because there has been some challenges in US location?
Okay,
Actually, Jeffrey, I don't know if you have any
yeah.
answers to that question.
If you want to use a VPN, you can actually use, say, Portugal, or you can use Netherlands, because they actually have lower restriction on the cryptocurrency trading and all that. Or you can just use Nigeria, because they don't have any issues with people trading, just that you can't buy or you can't deposit from your bank account. That's all the information. But yeah, you can use Portugal, you can use Netherlands, and some countries in Europe. You can actually access those websites which you are trying to access. So you won't have any issues trying to get into those sites while using those IP addresses.
Okay, all right, thank you. I think honeycomb. I think that answers your question. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. This is the live section where we discuss everything all about crypto, where we'll try as much as possible to leverage the gap between the poor and the rich, just for you to get the right information, because information is the key. So if you are joining us now, or you just tuning in, we're talking about cryptocurrency. We're talking about some things which you could do on cryptocurrency to harness and boost your financial stability. So what we just did now was to give out some information about things that happened last week, how you can actually harness most of them. So 3DeFi is currently down now. What I mean down, I'm talking about the price is a little bit down now. So if you are thinking of buying, you can actually buy that particular project, buy some seed there or buy some tree there. Is very much okay on ground. And Point Pale is actually the project is still very much ongoing and is soon going to be launched. So you can take advantage of it now and buy some token for yourself because now it's very cheap. Imagine when it's been launched and you are being charged higher. So now it's just the opportunity. It's just very simple. You know, a lot of we Africans out there are very skeptical when it comes to these online trading and online investment. You know, for the place in the place I came from, they will tell you I rather see what I'm buying at hand. I rather see what I'm buying at hand than pay for it than for me to be paying one person I don't know online. That's actually why technology has evolved massively and has come to make a whole lot of things better for us. Don't be scared. So if you have your phone, you are at leverage of fighting poverty to the fullness. All you just have to do is search projects, look for the right information, and if you don't get any of them, you can meet. I'm not saying we are financial advisors, but we are currently people who can actually assist you when you actually need help when it comes to cryptocurrency. All right, guys, thank you very much for joining us. And that will be all for this week. So if you have any other thing you want to ask us, we'll drop a link to our website and equally our Telegram group where you can always discuss and have full information about cryptocurrency. I don't know, Jeffrey, if you have further things to say so that we could all just wrap it up from here.
Okay, for my end, I would say please share the word, spread the good news, share the video, like the video, share to your timeline so your friend can see and also get this premium information because I call it the premium information, but it's free. So just do it. If you've learned anything from here, at least you can also pay us back by sharing the video, and we'll be here again next week to give you more of this and more information and different projects too that are also making round that is going to also make you money. So for me, I would say it's inspired from my end and hope you have a good week ahead.
All right, guys, thank you. Join us in the comment section. If you have maybe any opinion or thorough opinion on what we've just said right now, please feel free to dish it out in the comment section and we'll all have the chat right there. Thank you
And
very
please
much.
like the video, and share. So bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye for now. We'll have you guys again next week, this same time. Thank you very much.